travel advisor. Welcome to my channel. I am a travel advisor that can help my clients travel anywhere in the world on magical vacations, but I specialize in Disney and Universal vacations. And today I am here in a fabulous family suite at Universal Orlando Resort's Endless Summer Dockside Resort. I'm here to take you on a tour of this family suite, which sleeps up to 6. And this is a very reasonably priced, very spacious family room at Endless Summer Dockside. Let's take a look at the room. Before we look at the room, I do want to talk about what perks you get by staying at a Universal hotel, specifically staying at Universal Endless Summer Dockside. You get access to early park admission, which is available at select parks on select days, and it is frequently focused on the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. You get complimentary bus transportation to all Universal Orlando parks and City Walk. You can charge things throughout the resort to your room key, so you can keep all of your charges right on your room. And you can have merchandise purchased in the theme parks delivered to your hotel during your stay. Let's take a look at where Dockside is located in the greater map of Universal Orlando Resort. Much of Universal Orlando Resort is situated in one area and is all walkable and connected. Endless Summer Dockside is not a part of this area. That would be the main campus, the City Walk, Universal Studios Florida, and Universal Islands of Adventure area. The Endless Summers, both Dockside and its sister resort Surfside, are located about a 10-minute bus ride away from main campus and about a 10-minute bus ride away from the future site of Epic Universe. So you're going to be relying solely on bus transportation at this resort. Taking a look at what Dockside looks like from the map, you can see that it has 3 sections, 2 tower sections, both of which have large pools. These 2 sections are pretty much identical other than the fact that one has the arcade in it and one has the gym in it. And then you are connected by that central hub, which is where you're going to find the lobby, all of your dining options, and the main entrance, plus where you're going to find the buses is right outside of this main area. All right, let's take a look at this fabulous room. A quick overview of the room. Please ignore all my many suitcases. So quick overview, and then we will get into the specifics here. This room sleeps up to 6, plus a child under the age of 3. And you can see it has a separate bedroom area, a dining area, and a main bedroom area. This is one of the most value-priced resorts at Universal Orlando. And you are getting a lot of bang for your buck here. When we come in, we have our regular hotel door. We've got the little cover over the peephole here. We've got our safety instructions. We've got our little I'm Still Dreaming hanging thing. We have a full-length mirror here and a really fun surfboard. And then this main sleeping area is almost like a whole standard hotel room in itself, I would say. Now it is night because I cannot keep this room this beautiful during the day because I'm gonna sleep in it, but I imagine there's going to be a lot more light coming in here during the day. So we've got 2 queen-size beds here, each with their lights, and we've got some fun driftwood. This is like nautical, but dockside, whereas the sister hotel is Surfside. It's a little bit more like California surf vibes. But this appears to be Dockside vibes, so it's just all nautical. You got your little shelf here, alarm clock. Does this open? This does not appear to open. But you've got that table there. There are no tables on the sides, but there is room. You know, you could put your suitcase or something like that on that other side, use a table. But this is like very standard hotel room on this portion. You have a TV here. I like these little hooks. You can hang your park bags or your hats. And then this has got a little ledge here. We've got drawers. Here we've got 3 drawers. Ooh, the quiet close drawers. You got some plugs here to charge. There's a plug there. There's a plug there in the middle. No plug on this side. Okay, but yeah, we've got plugs here. Oh, is this another light? Haha. Okay, and then in this area, we've got a little notepad. Got the phone, all your typical phone needs. We've got some plugs. We've got the rundown of how everything works at this hotel. Some hotel information. They do in-pizza room delivery, so that information is here. And then this cute surfing thing. And you got this TV, which I don't really think it pivots. No, okay, it does not pivot, but you've got this big giant TV. Pivoting into the dining space. You have got space to seat 1, 2 chairs. We've got a poof. There is another poof in this other room, so you could seat 2 on the poof. And then the bench. So I think you could definitely seat the 6 people that can sleep in this room at this table. Then we've got trash can. We've got lots of space here to shelve all of our treats that we're gonna bring to eat in our little dining nook. We've got a shelf, big shelf here. I do like the fun surf decor. We've got a microwave here, which a microwave in an Orlando theme park hotel can be harder to get than you would think. So this is a big get to be in this room. You've got like a large mini fridge. That is a large mini fridge. You've got some plastic bowls and plates, little cutleries, little condiment packs. This condiment pack just has like your creamers and your sugar and whatnot for your coffee. And then you've got this coffee, decaf and regular. And then just like this little, not even a full-on Cuisinart, but little hotel, little pod things and cups. And you've got this sink. So this is absolutely like bare basics kitchenette, but you've got the microwave. You have the overly large mini fridge here, so you could do a lot of stuff. We have a grocery order coming tomorrow. I was a little nervous about, do I think it will all fit? But I think in this, we're good. You've got the paper plates and whatnot. So if you want like some more substantial plates and cutlery and stuff, maybe you would want to bring something if you're not particular, which probably most people aren't on vacation. You've got the paper stuff here, and housekeeping can refill that for you. You've got the place to sit. There's counter space. There's storage. I think this is like basic, but a great have for your Universal Orlando vacation, to be able to save some money, eat in your room, or just bring back leftovers and chill and be able to snack on them when you want. And then moving on to the bathroom, we've got the double sinks. We love to see the double sinks. Facial soap, tissues, hand towels at the bar. We love the double sinks, especially if you are actually sleeping 6 in this room. That could get a little bit tight with only 1 bathroom. That's the only downside so far to the like actual layout of this room. It's 1 bathroom for 6 people, which could be, you know, that could get a little dicey. But for the price point, that might be something you're willing to live with. But yeah, that's open. And then you do have this other sink. It's like somebody could brush their teeth or whatever in this sink. And then we have the bathroom. We've got the commode. I do like the tile in here. Got the shower with tub. And we have some cute little surf and sand amenities. We do have the drying rack line there if you're swimming. And then if we pivot on the other side here, we have the master bedroom. So this is a 3rd queen bed. And we've got another TV in here. More of those fun hooks that you can hang stuff on. Here's that other poof. Big giant windows, like this is just a evening view of the parking lot, so that's not exciting, but we're not really here for views, we're here for space. And then we've got this little closet here. Extra pillow and blankets, hangers, ironing board, iron, luggage rack. And then behind the door, you have a safe. Well, that's the safe in this room. And then back out to the main area. As far as the layout of this room, the only con that I see is that there's one bathroom for a possible 6 people, and that could be less bathrooms than you would like. But if, you know, that is where you're willing to sacrifice a little bit for price, I think that could be well worth it, especially if you're comparing what it would cost to stay here versus what it costs to stay in a room that sleeps 6, say, at Disney World, at Art of Animation. The price point is gonna be much lower here, and you have actual beds for 6 people, whereas that 2 people are sleeping on a pull-out couch. So I think that the big pros here are that you have 3 actual beds. The other big pro is the kitchen. If you are someone who is going to want to save money by using the microwave and the mini fridge, I think this is great. If you're not gonna do that, if you are someone who has no interest in ordering food or bringing some food with you and utilizing groceries during your stay, like even for breakfast, that's like you're on vacation, you're here to eat out, then you do not need this, and I would not prioritize that in your room choice. After staying in this room, I have a few critiques. One is the quality of the linens in this room. They were not great, and I think that that is represented across property. It's not just like I got one bad set of sheets. They're just very, very budget linens. Additionally, we were on the ground floor and near an elevator, and there was a lot of hallway noise coming into our room. If you are sensitive to that, I would definitely request a room on a higher floor away from an elevator. All that being said, for the price point, I was happy with my stay. I loved having the kitchenette. This was a very spacious room for 2 people. I think if you are getting close to that party of 6, especially if more than 2 of those humans are adults, it's gonna start getting crowded. But for a family of 4, or even a family of 5, where you have multiple children, I think that this is going to be a really good fit. Now, if you are looking for luxury, you're looking for amenities, you're looking for comfy, cozy, pretty views, all of that, this is not your room, and there's other hotels that I would recommend. To summarize, who should stay in this room? I think travelers that are budget focused, families of 5 or 6, guests that are looking to have a room that they can easily dine in, and groups that want a separate bedroom, because you do have that door between the primary bedroom and the main area. So if for whatever reason the makeup of your group is you really want that door, this is how you would get that. Who should not stay here? Luxury travelers, anyone looking for fine dining at their resort or extra amenities, anything like that. This is not your room, and this is not your hotel. If you want to be able to walk to the main campus theme parks from your hotel, there are several Universal hotels that offer that. This is not one of them. If you want express pass included in your hotel stay, some hotels offer that, not this one. If you're interested in more information about this hotel overall, I have a whole video touring this whole hotel, Universal Endless Summer Dockside as well, and I've linked that here. If you want to stay in this hotel, in this very room type, I would love to be your travel advisor. You can contact me on the information on your screen, and I would love to work with you planning your magical vacation to Universal Orlando.